Hey, cool cat. Welcome to Mental Health Music Lessons. Today, we are going to learn about hearing intervals. Intervals are all about the distance between notes. And there are various different types of intervals. They go from as small as a unison, which means that there's a distance of 0 between the notes. For example, C4 to C4 is a unison, and it goes as far up as to an octave, where we have something like C4 to C5, which is when you go completely from do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, then do, right over there. And then we have intervals after this distance, but they all duplicate a similar number series, which is 0, and then we have a second, a third, a fourth, a fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. Now, in the past, we talked about singing solfege, singing do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, and being able to look at sheet music and be able to point at different notes and sing them together. But now we're going to talk about listening to something being played on the piano and being able to recognize that, oh, this is an interval of do to re, this is an interval of do to mi, and other things like that. It's important for us to know about these intervals to be able to be in a car, for example, and hear a being played or hear a chord like this being played and being able to say to ourselves, oh, this sounds like it's a triad because it sounds like this note and this note is a third distance away, and this note sound like a third distance away too. Us being able to do that allows us to better communicate with the music that we're listening to, which makes it more impactful and meaningful for us. This really helps, especially if you have a song that you really, really love and you just want to dive deeper inside of it so you can just really submerge yourself inside of that music. Okay, cool cat. This is part 1 of interval training. I hope you found this helpful for your mental health and also helpful for learning about music. If you want to get some feedback, send me a DM so I can share with you my insight and also give you some positive reinforcement to help you keep on going and give you some advice of things that you might want to change to help you sound even better. I hope you have a mentally healthy rest of your day. This has been Imanni from Imanni Music. Bye.